So not only are our On The Glow beauty bars a perfect snack to have, but you can actually also add them into delicious smoothies. So I'm going to show you how to make a salted peanut brownie smoothie using just 4 very basic ingredients. So of course you're going to need one of the bars. I'm going to chop that up roughly. I'm going to be adding in some banana, I've got some ice, and I'll be using almond milk in this one. So just chuck everything in your blender, blend it on high until it's nice and creamy. Now you can keep it a little bit chunky so you can get some of the chunks of the collagen in there, which is really delicious, or you can blend it until it's really smooth. So this is a really great smoothie to make first thing in the morning or when you don't have much time and you're on the go.